How to change a username on Zangi app. Are guys facing issues to change a username on Zangi app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Zangi app on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download Zangi app on your mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. After you open up the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. Once you get logged in, now you scroll down. You can see a profile picture. Tap on it. After you click on it, you can see the option for edit profile info. Click on it and tap on your username. Delete all those tags and write down the username according to your preference. After you write it down, look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see the dawn icon. Click on it. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna change our name on Zangi app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.